few tracks out of my Sunber Hair. And you know, I already know what I'm finna do. I'm finna wrap it around my little bun. So I chose a few tracks. As you guys can see, like the texture is really curly, still pretty. And to think that I had this in the sewing, it doesn't even look like it, you guys. So I'm so excited to do this bun. So what I do is I start by bobby pinning the track to the outside of my little small bun, and then I just kind of wrap it around after that and start tucking, and you know, just wrap the track around the bun just to cover up the bun just enough. So now that the hair is really stuck on there really tight, and I know it's not going nowhere, I'm going to start with my bun and start making it how I want it. So I took my scissors and I just cut the hair a little bit, just because it was a little long for the bun that I wanted. So I felt like I just didn't need it, so I just started cutting it more. Right here, I'm just putting my last minute bobby pins into my bun, making sure that it's real stable and where I want it. Now I'm going to get into my baby hairs and start pulling my baby hairs out, just to make my bun, you know, look a little bit more better, like what's really a bun with no baby hairs. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm just pulling the hair out.